Hello, thank you for watching. If you could maybe subscribe to my channel or leave a comment or leave a like of this video, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So at it now on this pallet forks again. So if you look back at my videos, there's a set of pallet forks I was talking about the same time as the link box. Still ongoing projects, but pallet forks now getting a turn since I made the version. So yeah. So we got since then had a couple of bushes made. I'll show you now what I might put a link here for the last video. But I've been drilling some plates now, so we'll have some plates come up here, hole in there. We'll take the bush, weld the bush to end, and we'll drill through this, and that will retain the rod, and it'll actually give more of a contact area there as well, being welded. So then we'll put the Euro 8 brackets, so we'll diagonal that way. So those will tie these together. Trinco box section here, I need to cut that. We'll have a plate here, small, well, we only had a certain amount of steel. So box section here instead of a flat bar. Then a flat bar on top of the box section, just, overlapping each side of this. Overlapping the joint as well here. We'll have a hole as well to support the middle. Then just on the end as well, so we'll have the side plate to support the actual Euro8 bracket support the middle, in the quarter way over, box section middle, Euro. So we're quite strong job then. And the hole in that will sit the top here. The bracket will sit flat on top of these boxes, and it'll be a little bit there so it doesn't drag on floor. So should be quite tidy. So I've been at it now drilling the plates. I'll put up the video drilling now. So that's one down now. Use a bit of wood every time we drill, save a bed, second-hand bed. Well, a second-hand drill. That's why all holes. But we like to put timber in it. But I have a clamp now to save, so we could do it one. Well, could have two hands for oiling, one for oiling, one for pushing down. Easier a bit of oil to go in. Also, a bit of a slow job. This is going to be the middle plate now. I need to drill the two side plates now. So yeah, that's it really. So just tacked this up all in place. I'll probably have a bar here. These brackets come with these bars that hold them the right, right width and Euro8, right width and angle. And they're only like a pound or two more dear, so you might as well get it. So I'll probably cut that off a grinder after to make it look more tidy. A bit of flat bar spare job. So it's all tacked up. I'll go at it now, fully weld it now, and compare to us you. I have had to get the bushes made each side, to make it thicker, and the bit of faff to try to drill them all and cut the plates, etc. To us you, the last type I made is a lot easier than this. I think this will be the last one I do. First one, last one I do this type with a bar across it then. So yes, I get at it now, and you'll see it afterwards. So that's what I meant about having bushes made. So these are each side, helps hold it and save wear. And we'll put together, then drill a hole right through, and put a keeper pin to hold the rod on all each side. So that's it all done. Well, you do grind the flat bar between them off, make it look tidier. And go around it with a little grinder and grind around. That didn't really suit to overlap. It only ended up only being a little bit that stuck out. So just put it going around it a little bit there. So rod will go across there. These now will overhang over the box a bit. Then the bottom will actually hit against the bottom of the bottom boxer. And we'll stick down above that much so that doesn't drag then, so it's these goes on floor. So with a rod here now, one of these, you can just push them across, slide them across the rod, and it gives you like float. So the times it can actually, go back against. You can't actually press down on it, sort of thing. It'll float up. So that's the thing. Yeah, so it's that's done. These are basically off a JCB or digger or teleporter sort of thing. Had a rod and all of them. So a rod goes across here and that holds them, one here, one there. You can slide across there. Thus it's harder to make this because the holes, having to line them up, and the bushes, having to make them. Before you could do it all yourself, Well, I drilled the holes there, but bushes had to have them laved up then. You do just grind that bit off, grind the sharp edges off, paint it, and put it together. Then I'll probably video it again. And just it's been a while since I last filmed this. We put it together when some illness and some illness in my family, etc. Long story. So it's been a while, and I need to finish off still. We put it together. I painted it all, put it together. Tried to drill. Well, we cut that off. It was that much too long. Whatever. Cut off a grinder. It's quite a hard shaft, So what came with it's JCB forks on it. We have a shaft going through. You leave it like that, and like hook onto the shaft itself. Go into that much, but it's some hard stuff. You drill down through it to put some nuts and bolts, small hole first. Put another bolt each side to hold it, but the shaft is really hard, like glass, when you won't touch it with a drill bit. So when you do just clean a bit of a primer off around there, a bush there, and just weld them each side there. But pretty much finished except that. Okay, so really with this now, if you tilt it forward, it won't actually press down. These will flip up to sort of like a floating fork sort of thing, and you just slide it across on the shaft and to change the width. So yes, it's a bit more tricky to make from the standard ones, flat bar, and just push them across and clip down. So yeah, so that's pretty much finished. I'll just call it finished now. I just need to weld that, get back to it. Other things in the shed now. So I need to get back into it and finish it off. So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then. Okay. Just a random little tip I'll say now. I saw a video, and those packets you get, like they absorb moisture. You get them with new Wellingtons, or well, actually get them with new welding wire as well for MIG. I saw a bloke took a handful of those, different packets, and he threw it inside his MIG machine near the actual coil of wire. Quite good idea. It'll suck up all the moisture and the air inside the casing, and should help stop it rusting in there. So I've done it to mine now. Just that was quite a good tip, really, innit? I did hear of a bloke that mechanic now, and like the control boxes or baler or whatever, if he had to open those up, they keep those little sachets, from like clutch kits and whatever, Wellingtons, whatever, and they'd throw one in with control box to absorb moisture in there, so it's quite good a tip, really. So I should really be collecting them, keeping them safe somewhere for when you want them. But there you go. I've done it this time anyway. Quite like that, because the MIG wire can rust if you leave them quite a bit. But that's it.